Hey guys, it's Cool and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be unboxing a gift from Jojo Bragais. Ta-da! So I think this is his new flip-flop collection. So here it is. So let's open it together. Jojo's packaging is always like super duper nice. It looks so chic and elegant. Okay, so if you guys don't know who Jojo is, he is a famous shoe designer and he makes pageant shoes, but he ventured out to other types of shoes and he also has makeup. Check him out. So ito yung Jojo Bragais flip-flops. So it's super cute. It's like gladiator sandals, and then it has studs and pearls. So here's the pair together, and it's so cute, and the color is neutral lang and clear strap, so it's super easy to match with your outfit. And then what I like about it is that it's sandals, so it's like your go-to shoe, and it's like those jelly shoes that used to be like super in, so this would be nice for whatever weather naman, and it looks very comfortable. Okay, so moving on, I have the sun visor slash face shields from Tang Manila. So I actually have 3 colors. So I think this one's like blackish brown, and then this one's black, and then this one's like rainbow tone. So yeah, we're experiencing this new type of normal where we have to wear face shields and face masks for, you know, safety. And I'm all for it, but sometimes we just don't care what we look like anymore. And for me, not caring is kind of discouraging because, you know, when you look good, then you feel good, and I'm all about feeling good. So if you guys don't know what to wear na or how to look good while wearing a face mask or a face shield, I came up with new normal OOTD. So if you want to see what I came up with, keep on watching.